What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Back to Back Los in the building with a son at home. And today we are back with another video. It has been forever since I made another video. You know, we back with the Hundeezy. But yeah, I don't know. I've been focused on real life instead of my YouTube grind. But we back on my YouTube grind. It just took me a second, especially when you got real life going on. And I really could have been recorded. It's just I don't be thinking about it for real. But yeah, so
hello, motherfucker.
Update. We did turn up the pops a little bit on the Honda, so it will pop a little more. But I didn't want to do it too consistent, or I didn't want to have too many pops, just because of my catalytic converter. My first two in the front are still there. The rest of my car is straight piped on back. So until I get those cats removed, I kind of got to rock with a lower. A lower burble slash pop. I would say pop for my car. My car don't burble. It's like pop, 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 pop. When it do pop. Cap. So I will be dropping a video on that very soon. Maybe my next video, maybe the video after that. But yeah, that's just everything that's been done to it. Nothing else really. I need to wash it. I need some tires. I don't know. But yeah, maybe the only thing different is the headlights. I did change the headlights, but that's been a while, and I think that y'all seen it by then. I'm telling y'all, man, if you wanna be who you wanna be when you grow up, you just gotta get up and do it, man. You just gotta get up and do it. That's how I feel about my YouTube. I wanna be the biggest YouTuber on earth, and I just wanna be big enough to have a lot of fans and to never have to work again. I just don't wanna have to work. I would love to do the rest of my life. I would love to live the rest of my life doing YouTube and not have to work. But yeah, I decided to go and get up and record and do something, because I guess I ain't gonna blow up if I don't make no content, right? So yeah, y'all, let's get into it. All right, y'all, I'm back in the car. I got the cam set up. I'm trying to look at it because I'm on my iPhone, so I never know if it look right or wrong. I know y'all hear the pops. Golly, little baby pops. I wonder, do people look at me stupid? Like, what is this on this man's head? Let me just let the windows up, because I don't want to feel stupid. Oh, I need to turn Waze on. Damn. Gotta be careful over here, y'all. It's hella police. Y'all know where I live? Just know it's so many police over here, bro. I think my camera down as much as it can go. I don't got time to look at it because I gotta drive. Okay, alright, now I ain't gonna wait for you no more. God, leave, boy. so pretty outside. What the hell? I ain't trying to waste all my gas on the damn POV. I just came on here to show y'all how my car was sounding. I ain't trying to go broke out here now. How long is this road? What the freak? Ain't nothing out here but country. And that's why y'all gotta understand why so many police out here by me. Look at where I'm at. Look at this road. Hope y'all can see it. Alright, y'all, I think this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. It's just a little quick video to, you know, show y'all that I'm still alive and to show y'all my new setup I got going on. My GoPro is currently broken, so yeah, I guess I just have to wait to get that fixed. But for now, I guess we trapping off the iPhone. But I mean, it looked pretty good. It looked pretty good, so I'm gonna just stick with it for now, and then I'm gonna see how this video turn out. If I like it, I'm gonna post it. If not, then I guess I'm gonna try again. I guess I can't give up. But yeah, y'all. Well, I'll take one more lap real quick. Real quick. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching again. Tune in to the next one. It's been back to back. Well, shoot, I ain't gonna say that. It's been real. I'll see y'all boys later on.